am super excited today because I'll be making one of my favorite food. Today on Wonuola Cooks, I'm going to show you how to make the best fried rice recipe at home. Fried rice is a popular Nigerian food and you can find it in almost every party that you attend in Nigeria, but you can also make it at home. Today on Wonuola Cooks, I'm going to show you a fail-proof method of making the Nigerian fried rice. This fried rice recipe you are about to watch is the most amazing you ever find. It is the best. I'm also going to show you a method of making fried rice that doesn't go bad quickly. My name is Wonuola. You are welcome to my YouTube channel. Before we begin, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and click the subscribe button, and please do not forget to put on the bell notification so you can know when I post new recipes on my channel, because I'll be posting different mouth-watering recipes and you don't want to miss out. You don't want to know the kind of mouth-watering recipes I'm about to post on my channel. So please do not forget to subscribe. Please do not forget to give this video a thumbs up and share this video with your family, friends, or anybody that might be needing this recipe. Thank you. I cut all the vegetables I'll be using for this fried rice off camera to reduce the length of this video. I have some green bell peppers, carrots, liver. I boiled the liver before cutting it. I have some spring onions, green peas, green beans, sweet corn. I'm also using some chicken broth. You can also substitute for beef broth. Adding these gives a lot of flavor to the fried rice. If you don't have both, you can skip the procedure if you prefer. This is the rice I'll be using. I'm using Uncle Ben's rice. You don't want to use a very thin rice or the kind of rice that breaks easily if you are using the method I'm about to show you. So let's get started. The first step is to wash the rice. I'm going to wash mine several times until the water runs clean. I'm also using warm water to wash the rice. Once the water is clean, I'm going to transfer the rice to a sieve to drain. Next, I'm going to heat up about 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a clean pot. You can also use any kind of cooking oil that you prefer. Once the oil gets hot, I'm going to add in the liver and the carrots. I will be stir frying the liver and carrots for about 2 minutes before adding the other vegetables. This is because I have this belief that the liver and carrots take a longer time to cook than the other vegetables. I'll add in the rest of the vegetables. I would also like to say that you should try as much as possible to use fresh vegetables than frozen vegetables. This determines how long your fried rice would last. Using fresh vegetables also gives fried rice a fresh and delicious taste. To season the vegetables, I am using some vegetable seasoning cubes. I'm also using some salt to taste, curry powder, dried thyme, ginger powder, and garlic powder. I'm going to stir all of that together to combine and continue stir frying the vegetables until they get cooked. This takes about 7 to 10 minutes. You can be sure that the vegetables are cooked when they get soft. You can also taste them to be sure they are cooked. I'm going to transfer the vegetables in another bowl and continue with the rest of the procedure. I'll heat up about 2 tablespoons of olive oil in the same pot and add the washed rice. To season the rice, I'm using some chicken seasoning cubes, salt, curry powder. You want to be generous with the curry powder because this is what gives it the fried rice color. I'm also adding in some thyme, some ginger powder, and garlic powder. I'll stir everything together just to ensure that it is well combined and continue stir frying for about 10 more minutes. If you like this recipe, please do not hesitate to give it a thumbs up and share this video with your family, friends, or anyone around you that might be needing this recipe. Thank you. After about 10 minutes, I'm going to add in the chicken broth. I'm also going to add in some boiling water that is enough to cook the rice. I'll cover the rice to cook until the water has almost dried out, and then we'll move to the next procedure. Next, I am adding in the spring onions. I'll cover the pot again and let everything cook until the water in the rice has dried out. At this point, the water in the rice is dry, and I am just stirring everything together just to ensure that it is properly combined. I am now taking some of the rice aside. This process helps to ensure that the rice and vegetables are well combined. You don't want to skip this procedure if you are making a lot of fried rice. Once that is done, I am going to add in more rice and more vegetables gradually, just until I am satisfied with the ratio of rice to vegetables. I did not use all the vegetables for the fried rice because I was satisfied with the quantity of vegetables in the rice. So I kept the remaining for later use in my freezer. You can also put it in the fridge for a few days. We have come to the end of today's video. Thank you for watching this video. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please be sure to subscribe for more mouth-watering recipes. Please do not forget to give this video a thumbs up and share this video with your family and friends. See you soon.